ECOROAD EC-6 Scooter. What if you get a flat tire? How do you go about changing it? These are the tools and instructions that were given to you. I'm going to place my scooter to the side. I'm going to do my best to take this sticker off. I'm going to feel for the end and peel it off. Repeat for the other side, turning over your scooter, and do your best to peel. Once you've successfully peeled your stickers off, and if you destroy them, you can always find self-adhesive stickers and cut out your own to put them back on. You have the tool that fits into the area. You have 4 bolts now to disassemble. You're going to simply turn. Remember the way your thumb goes. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You have 4 bolts to take off. They are coated with blue Loctite. You may have to put blue Loctite back on. When placing in a tool, you'll find that the screws are not that tight. The cover comes off to expose a larger bolt that one of the sides goes on, like so. You're going to turn around the scooter and do the other side. It should take you no more than a couple of minutes to take all the bolts off. Place in the tool again and simply turn. Remember to tighten it the same way it was put on. Put everything to the side, and now we're going to work on this bolt. Take it out. Put the tool in and turn. Remove and place to the side. Repeat for the other side. Turn the scooter around. Gently turn it. Do your best not to disturb anything. Let it rest over on the side of the table so you can get the tool on, the correct one that is, and turn. It may be best to do the opposite side last, so this way you can see how the brakes work. Time out. Do this when you don't get interrupted. When turning the scooter around, please make sure you keep force on the inside, meaning like so. And then I'm going to flip it around like this. And what I'm going to do now is show you how simple it is to pull out. When you pull this out, there's going to be a cylinder on each side. And it's going to be a circle that has notches on the top and bottom. You grab the wheel. You slowly pull out towards back this way so you can see it move. And out it comes. See the 2 notches? They go this way. And everything comes out real easy. There are the notches. I am now going to flip my scooter around and out of my way, or get it out of my way. This is your wheel, your disc. It uses the tool, and it could come off like so, and there's an arrow in the direction the disc goes. It's known as the C11 or 110. If you need to change this or get a new part, again, we need to get online with the company. You can remove the cylinders, place them to the side. Remember where they came off. You can see the angle. Remember how it goes on. I do my best to take my time to share to you in a nice, slow manner so we all can understand what is happening, than to quickly talk or show something with music. I'm going to let the air out. 40 psi. You hear the air? Oh, it won't come out this way, but I am just putting it slowly on. If I want to let it out like so with the stem, I just press the tool with the smallest one in. And the air is slowly going out. Pneumatic tires are a lot stronger than your bike tires. So this way, they hardly ever get punctured. But if they do, you're going to need special tools to take this off. And I don't have any. So I'm going to try to do my best to show you. Oh man, I could squeeze it off with my hands like so, as you can see. I get a tool in there, wrap it around, and the tire comes out. You use a plastic tool that has a wide angle. I don't have one, so I'm using the best tool I got. You notice how it gets in there. I now need to get another tool to get in there to spin around. Since I don't have the tools, I'm basically going to walk you through. When you slip this through and spin it off, make sure that your tires go in one direction. These are directional tires. On here, there's an arrow. They are to go one particular way, and the arrow is facing this way. So I am going to inflate my tire. I'm going to spin on the pump it up to 40 psi. I'm at 40 psi. I'm done. I'm going to now reverse order and install my wheel. I'll put my cap back on. Don't want to lose that. I get my scooter and I place it on top, get everything that's not needed out of the way. These are your bearings. These are your sleeves. They go on. You want to make sure that these notches up and down go this way. And that is probably the second hardest thing you're going to do. Just take your time, match it up. And slowly work it on. They will go on eventually. Then take your bolts. You could put blue Loctite on if you like. Make sure they go on smoothly. With your tool, place back. Nice and secure. And you can place your cover on since you got this side here. Just make sure you put them on the correct way. Turn your scooter around. Place on the other bolt. Nice and tight. And then finally your cover. If you have successfully peeled your sticker off and did not damage it, then you're able to get it back on like so. Spin your wheel, hit the brake. You successfully changed your tire out if you have the right tools. To have a tire tool kit is important to do the right job with the right tools. And you're able to change out your tires. You're given spare tire tubes only to change out your tires for the front and the rear. I hope this video was helpful to you in the ECOROAD EC-6 Scooter. Almost how to change out the tire in full. Again, have the right tools to do the right job. Thank you for viewing.